Everyone thinks the best-selling air compressors are automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 quiet air compressors so you know what actually works.
Product number 1, DeWalt Tire Inflator. The DeWalt Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Priced at $138.95, this portable air pump caught my attention because of its versatility and practical features. If you want a reliable tire inflator for cars and bikes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a maximum pressure of 80 psi, which means you can inflate tires quickly and efficiently. Plus, it operates on 3 different power sources, a 20-volt battery, 12-volt DC, or 110-volt AC, so you can use it at home or on the go. The high-pressure inflation mode with automatic shutoff ensures you won't overinflate, giving you peace of mind. And with over 6,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice for those who need convenience. Now, some people complained about its weight, which is about 6.4 pounds. Here's the thing though. While it might not be the lightest option, its robust feature set and reliability make it a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable tire inflator. This is perfect for you if you need something portable for your car or bike. Skip this one if you're looking for a compressor for heavy-duty tools, but for the price, it's a great value. Now, if the DeWalt's dedicated use for tires bothers you, the next one on my list might actually give you more versatility for creative tasks.
Product number 2, TimberTech Airbrush Compressor. The TimberTech Upgraded Airbrush Mini Compressor, priced at $85.99. It's compact and caught my eye because of its quiet operation at just 50 decibels. If you want a whisper-quiet compressor for your airbrush projects, this is definitely worth a serious look. This compressor is designed with a cool-down fan to keep it from overheating, which is great if you're working on detailed art projects. It provides a pulse-free output with a flow rate of 20 to 23 liters per minute, so you can spray without interruptions. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for hobbyists who need to move around. Its oil-free piston means it's maintenance-free too, which is a huge bonus for busy people. However, some users noted that it's not suitable for spray guns or other tools, only airbrushes. Here's the thing though, if you're strictly into airbrush art, this limitation is not a deal breaker. It's tailored for what you need. This is perfect for you if you're an artist or hobbyist focusing on intricate projects. Skip this one if you need a compressor for larger tools, but for the price, it's excellent value for airbrushing. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be better if you're looking for something that can handle more diverse tasks. Product number 3, Limidot Quiet Air Compressor. The third product is the Limidot Quiet Air Compressor, retailing at $161.49. This thing is quiet at only 68 decibels, which immediately sold me. If you're looking for a compressor that won't disturb your work environment, this is worth your attention. What's great about this compressor is its 5-gallon steel tank, which offers professional-grade results. With 2.8 CFM at 90 psi, you can run multiple pneumatic tools without losing pressure. It also features an ultra-quiet design due to its 3,400 RPM induction motor, making it ideal for use in residential areas. And with a fast refill time, it goes from empty to full in just 80 seconds. You won't be left waiting. Some reviewers did mention that it might not be powerful enough for heavy-duty applications. But here's the thing, if you're a DIYer or even a professional needing a compressor for light to medium tasks, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're involved in woodworking or home improvement. Skip this one if you need something for heavy construction, but considering its features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, the next one might fit your needs better.
Product number 4, DeWalt Trim Air Compressor. The DeWalt Air Compressor for trim, priced at $279. I was drawn to this one because of its quiet operation at 71.5 decibels and its impressive specifications. If you need a powerful yet quiet solution for trim work, this is worth a serious look. With a 2.5-gallon tank and a max pressure of 200 psi, this compressor really delivers. It offers 3.0 SCFM at 90 psi, which means you can fire a lot of nails quickly without waiting for recovery. The low 12-amp draw motor makes it easy to start and reduces the chances of tripping breakers, which is a common issue with more powerful compressors. However, some users found it a bit heavy at 36 pounds. But honestly, the performance and durability outweigh this minor inconvenience, especially if you're using it for demanding tasks. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or a serious DIYer needing reliable performance. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for casual use, but for the capabilities you get, it's worth the investment. Now, if you're still looking for something that combines portability and efficiency, the next product is for you.
Product number 5, MZB Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. We have the MZB 6.4-gallon Ultra Quiet Air Compressor, priced at $121.99. This one caught my attention because it boasts a low noise level of 70 decibels and a solid tank size. If you want something efficient and quiet for various tasks, this is definitely worth considering. It features a powerful motor with a delivery volume of 5.65 CFM at 115 psi, making it suitable for everything from carpentry to auto repair. Plus, it can fill the pressure tank in just 58 to 64 seconds, which is impressive. The oil-free design means less maintenance for you, and it's designed to last with its heavy-duty construction. However, a few users reported that its weight can make it less portable. I'll be real with you, if you need to move it frequently, this might be a concern. But for stability and durability, it's a trade-off worth making. This is perfect for you if you're involved in a variety of projects, from home repairs to crafting. Skip this one if you want something ultra-portable, but with its price and performance, it offers great value.
So to recap, we've covered the DeWalt Tire Inflator, TimberTech Airbrush Compressor, LimoDot Quiet Air Compressor, DeWalt Trim Air Compressor, and the MZB Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. Each of these has its unique strengths, from portability to performance. Depending on what you need, there's definitely a quiet compressor here for you.